मौजूदा दौर में जहाँ पर रॉक्स और मिनरल की बहुत जगह पे इम्पोर्टेंस हमें पता चली हैं, वहाँ पर जो तामीराती इदारे हैं वो भी इस वक्त रॉक्स और मिनरल की इम्पोर्टेंस से इनकार नहीं कर सकते. नाउ टुडे the rocks are used mainly in the constructional areas as a material. So the building materials, limestone, granites and sandstones are all of economic value and are used for building material or building of the houses. Roofing slate is obtained from fine grained metamorphic rock. Now this slide shows the different colors of the marble rock, which is a metamorphic rock, and it can be used for the flooring of the houses or plazas. So we can use this rock for the beautification of the area. A wide range of rocks are used for roads and building of the houses, plazas. These are mostly igneous rocks as diorite and gabbro, while granite are used for non-skid surfacing. Some sedimentary rocks are rarely used as carbonaceous limestone. Cement is made by burning a mixture of limestone or chalk and clay and grinding the mixture to a fine powder. And gravel is extensively for the making of the concrete and used in the building industries. Similarly, sand is widely used in the industries. Now this slide shows again one of the type of the metamorphic rock, which is granite. Now this is one of the hardest rock, which has a hardness scale of about 7 to 9, and it is used for the flooring of the houses, for the roofing of the plazas, because it is impervious material. Now the rock has one of the very important area for economic benefit, which is the ornamental stones. The hard, brittle and crystalline minerals found in the rocks, especially in metamorphic and igneous rocks as schist and mica. These are one of the precious minerals or rocks of the metamorphic and igneous areas. The topaz, which is used for the beautification of the human areas where we have ornaments, and these are precious minerals. Now salt is one of the very important mineral which can be used for the human purpose. There are economic deposits of salts in various parts of the world, like we have the best example of Pakistan, the Kyoram mines, which are situated in the salt range. So this is one of the oldest salt mine in the world, and others are sulfate, soda ash, sea salt and rock salt. Now this is a slide which is related to the Kyoda mine area. So salt is extracted from the hills of the or the ranges of the salt range and comes out and then can be used for the human purpose. Another importance of the rock is the metallic ore or metals. They are found usually in the form of ores or as iron ore, copper and gold. In Pakistan, Santak and Rhodic reservoirs are rich in copper, gold and many other metallic ores and metals. This slide shows the location of the Sandak deposits. Is a mining area of the Sandak town, which is actually situated in Chavi district of Balochistan, and the color shows of that the area has under different minerals. Now here we can see that the most of the metallic ores and metals are formed during igneous activity. As iron and bauxite, most metal occurs in combination with other elements forming sulfides, oxides and carbonites. So the lead, zinc and silver occur mainly as sulfides. Manganese and tin are found mainly as oxide. Copper occur in a wide range of mineral but in most useful as sulfides. So this is one of the piece of Sandak deposit. So here we can see not only the copper area but gold is also present there. Now why we have the gold and copper deposits in the Balochistan region? Because it is actually one of the part of the Tethyan belt. So this belt has the deposits of not only the precious metals but metallic ores are also present there. When two plates, the Eurasian plate and the Indian plates converge with each other, so this area formed and has precious metals. Sandak copper gold mine is also one of the important region not only in South Asia but in Pakistan. In 1970, this was discovered in collaboration with Chinese engineering firm. वफाकी हुकूमत ने गुज़श्ता 5 सालों के दौरान सैंडक प्रोजेक्ट से 62 करोड़ 88 लाख डॉलर मालियत की 1,28,000 टन धातें हासिल की, जिनमें सोना, तांबा, चांदी और मुर्तकज़ मकनातीसी मादनियात की पैदावार हासिल हुई है, जिनमें सोने के ज़खायर में से 8 टन जो है वो 5 सालों में हासिल किए गए। Now this Balochistan also has Rikadik project. So this area actually is one of the very important area keeping in mind the gold and copper reserves. Rikadik is a small town in Chagi district, Balochistan in a desert region 70 km northwest of Nakundi, close to the Pakistan's border with Iran and Afghanistan. अब पाकिस्तान में रिकडिक बलूचिस्तान में दुनिया की छठी सोने और तांबे की बड़ी कान दरियाफ्त हुई है। सोने के ज़खायर का तखमीना 52 मिलियन टन लगाया गया है, जबकि कॉपर का तखमीना 6 बिलियन टन है। Now this is one of the sample of the Sandak reserves where you can see the copper and gold deposits. So the Sandak copper gold mine is located in Chagi, which is one of the very important area of Pakistan, and economically Pakistan in future get maximum benefit from this part of the country.